How to add a savings account to PayPal. PayPal is an online merchant account company that allows account holders to accept, withdraw, and make payments via a secure internet site. This is widely used by eBay buyers and sellers alike as well as countless other e-commerce sites. It is the most widely used online account company for both international and US users. Step 1. Go to www.paypal.com. Step 2. Log into your PayPal account by entering your email address and PayPal password in the appropriate fields in the account login box to the right of the PayPal homepage. Make sure the drop-down menu under the PayPal password field has My Account selected. Step 3. Click on the yellow login towards the bottom of the account login box. Step 4. Select the Profile tab under the My Account section of your PayPal account page. Step 5. Scroll down and select the Add or Edit Bank Account option. This will direct you to your bank account page. Step 6. Click on the Add Bank button. This will take you to the Link Your Bank Account page. Step 7. Select the Savings Account option. Step 8. Enter your bank account information. This information will include both your routing number and account number. These can be found on one of your checks linked to your specific bank account. Routing number. The number on the bottom left-hand side of your check is your routing number. Locate this number and enter it into the routing number field in the middle of the Link Your Bank Account page. Bank account number. The number on the bottom right-hand side of your check is your account number. Locate this number and enter it into the account number of the Link Your Bank Account page. At the end of your account number, there is a 7 listed on your check in the account number area. Without using any spaces or dashes, add this 7 into the account number field directly after your general account number. This 7 designates the savings account portion of your bank account. Step 9. Enter your bank's name in the bank name field. Step 10. Press the yellow Continue button located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the Confirm Your Bank Account page. In this page, you can either choose to confirm instantly by entering your account number and access codes. You can also choose the Confirm in 2 to 3 days option, which deposits 2 separate, very small deposits into your given account and asks you to verify them by entering and transferring the exact same amount back to PayPal. These deposits will be less than $1 and are merely forms of confirming your bank account to your PayPal account. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.